Welcome to this space of tranquility and wisdom. As you find comfort in your surroundings, let's embark on a journey of understanding, guided by the gentle flow of your breath. In the vastness of your inner world, recognize that all you perceive, thoughts, sensations, the external world, are transient, like clouds drifting across the sky. These are mere concepts, not the experiences themselves. The true essence of things lies beyond these fleeting shadows. Consider the notion that our understanding of happiness, beauty, and self is not the actual experience, but our interpretation of it. A flower in a garden, for example, exists beyond our perception of its color and form. In its essence, it simply is. This is the nature of suchness, the true reality beyond our conceptual grasp. As you meditate on the flower, let it be a symbol of purity and simplicity. All things exist just as they are, unbound by our concepts and judgments. This realization brings a profound sense of freedom and tranquility. Your mind, now pure and serene, reflects the world in its truest form. In this moment of stillness, understand the interconnectedness of all things. Every part is a reflection of the whole, embodying the heart of enlightenment. Imagine now a world where knowledge and wisdom coexist harmoniously. Knowledge is like the path we walk, ever-changing and full of concepts. Wisdom, however, is like the sun shining above, constant and illuminating. It transcends the transient nature of knowledge, offering a deeper, more innate understanding of life. In this peaceful state, ponder the difference between wisdom and knowledge. Wisdom is an innate capability, a transcendental intuition that exists within us all. It's the profound and pure insight that sees the oneness in all things. Knowledge, on the other hand, is an accumulation of what we've learned, shaped by our experiences and perceptions. As you continue to breathe deeply, let these teachings gently wash over you. Embrace the concept of non-duality, the understanding that all things are intrinsically connected, that there is no separation between you and the universe. This is the essence of wisdom, the realization that everything is as it is, in its natural state of suchness. In the final moments of this meditation, let your mind rest in the notion that enlightenment is not something to be acquired, but a state to be realized. It's an understanding that transcends the concepts of existence and non-existence, an experience beyond words and thoughts. As you gently return your focus to the present, carry with you the tranquility and clarity you found here. Remember that in every moment, there is an opportunity to see the world with the eyes of wisdom and compassion.